Okay. Now, Hafsa spoke of marketing of the designer wear. What do you think when it comes to the marketing of this designer wear? Is it very effective? Is it very efficient when it comes to you guys? Do you think it's very creative and innovative? Lawn?
No, we're not talking about
wear.
lawn. We're only talking about designer wear. Like it could be ego, sheep, anything.
Because आप जब जाते हैं जमजमा पे you say okay there are a lot of shops, so इस area में ये shops एक cluster बना हुआ है, you have really good clothes around here. So marketing is very important definitely. Now you have ads coming up, lawn के, Gul Ahmed ये वो, तो सबसे ज़्यादा highly endorsed जिसका होता है तो you definitely go for it. अब इसको Veniza ने endorse किया है, Veniza की lawn है, so it has to be good. You do attach some value marketing.
सना सफीनाज में वो वाले कर रही है this actress Sonam Kapoor जो है she's endorsing that, so I guess I'll agree with Amara that
it makes a difference.
You know it makes a difference. अगर कोई celebrity जिसको आप like करते हो और वो चीज़ पहन रही है तो it does attract you कि अच्छा ये I'll go and look at this shop or go to the exhibition.
What do you think, Hamza?
I'm a marketing major, so I know that the entire marketing is a scam. So I don't believe in marketing at all.
But like, if you see, okay, sorry. Okay.
What's the question?
Isaac, can you repeat the question for her?
Marketing and impact.
Okay, the question is that when we go to buy designer wear, when it comes to the marketing strategies that these companies or these designers use, are these strategies very effective, very efficient? What do you think of these strategies?
They don't affect me at all.
Why don't they affect you?
Because I'm not into shopping at all. I hate it. And I really don't care what others are wearing. I'll just buy what I want to buy. So I don't think these strategies are very
So,
effective.
Falak, for you, is it important to stay in the limelight or to be a part of the rat race where everybody is going for the latest prints and the latest designs?
I'm not a follower.
You're not a follower. Also, yes, and one more thing which I want to say is that exhibitions not necessarily attract all girls, because मेरा जहाँ तक ख्याल है मैं तो exhibitions पे नहीं जाती. I just go to the the shops instead of the exhibitions.
Also, I think it's interesting to note that many fashion designers don't really market their products a lot, especially when it's not almost summertime. You know, abhi to there's like this huge influx of non-advertisements. But if you pay attention to how they market their products, like through as the year goes on, they're not going to be marketing it that much. Like I think ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैंने Maria B के ad campaigns देखे होंगे. Magazines like She and stuff. हाँ, उसमें होता है.
But this brings us to the question that how do you guys get to know about the images or the features that the designer has? How do you get to know? Via internet, via the billboards, via advertising, Facebook, social media, or somebody tells you about it?
And besides, when your peers tell you, look, I got this dress, you understand immediately that it's affordable because my friend can wear it to the university, so it has to be affordable. That's how we basically, that's how our market is.
How do you find it, Rosanna?
Family, people around you.
That's the most effective? Or do you watch a billboard?
Most effective is word of mouth. Yeah, word of mouth.
I guess billboards, word of mouth, and Facebook, all three things.
How does word of mouth make marketing negative? What do you think? Has it ever been only the positive things you are taking from word of mouth, or has it been a negative? Negative होता है in the sense my friend said मैंने कोई लेमन का कपड़ा लिया, मैंने इतना लिया then shrink हो गया, अब मेरी पूरी वो panels वाली कमीज ही निकल सकती, so obviously that's negative. When you go up to the store, you're not willing to pay so much. You tell them थोड़ा कपड़ा ज़्यादा था, आपका कपड़ा बहुत shrink होता है, तो ऐसी चीज़ें भी आ जाती हैं negative. Basically, friend tells you that the kapra is not, because they have first hand experience, so you trust them. A lot. Trust factor comes.
Okay,
and it affects your decision.
Hamza, right?
Atash.
Akash, okay. Akash, what do you think when you go to buy some clothes, right? For you, what counts the most? Is it what your friends have told you, or is it that you've seen somebody wearing a particular designer and then you say, oh, I want that as well? So what factors come into play?
गाइस में ऐसा नहीं होता कि किसी को देखा तो चलिए पता किसने क्या पहना है। लेकिन वर्ड ऑफ माउथ सर्टेनली हैज़ अ ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट। किसी ने अगर बोला कि बहुत बकवास है, इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, सो आई वोंट बी गोइंग देयर एट ऑल। लेकिन किसी ने बोला अगर अच्छा है एंड इट्स लाइक अफोर्डेबल और देयर इज़ अ गुड वैरायटी, तो आई विल गो देयर, आई विल चेक आउट, फिर आई विल सी कि मुझे पसंद आता है नहीं आता। It depends on.
Okay, so for example, if your friend tells you that XYZ ka mat lena, it's very bad, it's pathetic, but you have seen that other people wearing it and they're saying, okay, it's pretty good or it's nominal, what is your reaction? Will you go and buy it?
कॉन्वर्सेशन वहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होती कि बहुत बुरा है, आगे जस्टिफाई करता है कि either the price is not justifiable or the quality is not good or the color there is no variety in there. तो फिर सबसे डिस्कशन होता है ना पूरा कि क्यों अच्छा नहीं है।
So there's this entire discussion. Okay. Seher, now when it comes to you, and obviously you don't buy designer wear, but you do buy clothes, right? So for you, is advertising most effective, or for you, is word of mouth marketing more effective?
First-hand experience that
First-hand
I'll try it. If I like it, go for it again.
Go for it again. Okay. Also, what do you guys think is that in today's age, we're living in the 21st century, what is the most effective medium when we need to market a designer product? Social media, word of mouth marketing, billboards?
I think clothes is something very personal, so first-hand experience is definitely important. If your friend tells you it's good, then it has to be good, because Facebook se you can't feel the kapra, you can't say a lot about it. You can't say models wearing stuff, they're definitely going to look good because they have makeup artists and a whole team behind them. So आपके friend ने पहना अच्छा लगा, आपने feel करके देखा, so that's how I think peers में ज़्यादा होता है, word of mouth is more.
I think media and even Facebook, like people actually make the event pages and they invite you that we are having an exhibition. So I think that works.
That also falls into word of mouth marketing because you're discussing your experiences.
Yeah, but even media, like on television and advertisements or even billboards, so they all are really effective.
So for you, that comes.
You're talking about which strategy is most effective. I'll talk about which one's not effective.
Okay.
I think the billboards, they annoy me. They're like,
So why do they annoy you? Because there's so many there.
there are
around the
so
city,
many,
or
and
Okay, their purpose is to communicate the date of the exhibition. So जहाँ तक मैंने देखा है billboards पे यही होता है,
Right.
exhibition का
Venue
दिखाना।
and date.
Yeah, exactly.
when you see
उसके
models
अलावा-
lying down and it's just
so
weird.
you don't feel pretty good. Okay.
I think word of mouth, yeah. Because if I see my friend wearing something, if I like it, I'll ask her कि कहाँ से खरीदा है, and then I'll go there and
Word of mouth, social media.
that's it.
सबसे पहले if I like something, I'll go and like its Facebook page. That means I'm going to get regular updates from that place. So like Ego, if they get a new collection, they always post pictures of it. If Daman has a new collection, they post pictures of it. Those two are my favorite places to go. So if I check out the pictures, I can have a good idea of what the collection is going to be like. So that's really important for me to actually see the clothes before I go to the outlet. Another thing is important is when your friends endorse a product, they wear it and they're like, we really like it, iska color acha tha, yahan jaake humne ye bhi liya tha, uski pricing bhi affordable thi. So I think that's also an important deciding factor.
Can I say something?
Yes. एक और चीज़ ये होती है कि जो आपकी फ्रेंड ने पहना होता है दैट डज नॉट नेसेसरीली विल सूट यू. सो जब आप शॉप पे जाते हो, यू ट्राई द सेम थिंग, इट माइट नॉट सूट यू, तो आप इट्स बेटर कि आप उधर जाके देखो द वैरायटी एंड एवरीथिंग एंड फिर डिसाइड करो.
Also, this brings us to the question that most of you said that word of mouth marketing is very effective and it's very important. So when your peers or when your friends and family members tell you that ये कपड़ा बहुत अच्छा है, ये सब, so how reliable is that? As in, do you think कि वो जो बोल रहे हैं कि ये कपड़ा अच्छा नहीं, so in reality that कपड़ा won't be nice, or there's a chance that what they're saying might be real and might be true? Akish.
Obviously biasness तो होती है, अगर उसको पसंद नहीं आया तो फिर मुझे भी नहीं आएगा, ठीक है. लेकिन 80% ऑफ टाइम आई गेस कि वो उनकी जो न्यूज़ आप तक पहुँचती है रिलायबल होती है.
80%.
ऑफ टाइम.
Not necessarily, like obviously people cannot think alike. I mean, if my friend doesn't like one thing, it does not necessarily mean that even I won't like it. So I think it doesn't matter.
So you guys will make it a point to go to that outlet and check out and try it out and then see whether what your relative was saying was right or not.
Obviously,
word
but
of
the
mouth-
driving factor होता है word of mouth कि हाँ मुझे जाना है इस शॉप में because my friend wore it look nice. तो उससे driving factor तक होता है कि हाँ मैं उस शॉप तक पहुँच गई आगे लेना obviously I'll try out the stuff.
So you see, you won't get a response that कि मैंने वो billboard देखा था इसलिए मैं उधर गया. So billboards are really not
effective.
yeah.
I think when your friend says कि इसका कपड़ा अच्छा है, so it generates interest, you know, but it doesn't like, personally it doesn't motivate me to go to the store. When I look at their designs and I'm like, अच्छा ये अच्छा है, इनकी colors भी अच्छे हैं, then I'll be motivated to go to the store.
Okay, and moving on, since day one, since we were born, we always had this debate whether price is more important or whether quality of a certain product is more important. So when it comes to designer wear, what do you think? Is it the quality which is more important, which is quality of the kapra, the designs, cuts and the curves, or the price factor comes as well?
I think अभी competition इतना आ गया है कि price तो वैसे ही competitive हो गई है. Like they are just matching each other. The competitors they're trying to reduce their prices. I think अब quality की बात आ गई है. Like you need good quality. Prints तो सब निकाल लेते हैं but quality किसकी अच्छी है तो वो थोड़ा depend करता है. Pricing सबकी एक जैसी होती है because obviously they don't want to stand out or something.
I think it's more for more. If the price is high, then even the quality will be higher.
I think the price and the quality both play an important role. So both the price and quality they need to be considered. People need to consider both, and they do consider both when buying. I think it's a combination.
Yeah, it is a combination of price and quality because अगर quality अच्छी, अगर price ज़्यादा है तो quality भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. As रोशाना said कि more for more होता है कि अगर price कम है तो probably the design is not the same or there's something lacking in it.
People have this perspective here कि अगर महंगा है तो अच्छा होगा और जो महंगा होता है वही अच्छा होता है. लेकिन there's always a trade-off. I feel that अगर कभी शादी में कोई शर्ट पहनना है तो I'll be willing to pay 2,000 for that shirt. लेकिन if I want that shirt for casual तो फिर I won't be paying that much. It depends कि मुझे कहाँ पहनना है, किसके लिए need है, मुझे ultimate use क्या है उसका. तो it depends.
For me, it depends on whether I really like something. उसकी quality, I think अच्छी तो होगी if I like it. But the thing is that I don't care how expensive it is. If I like it, I have to get it. और अगर नहीं मिलता है तो कोई बात नहीं. I'm not that picky about my clothes. So I guess the quality is important, not the price so much.
The quality is important. Okay, also I'm sure all of you must have friends or relatives living abroad, right? So if you want to convey to them that this designer is really good or this brand is really good, so how do you convey it to them? Via Facebook, or you call them on the phone and then tell them, or random talking, random conversation में बात निकल आती है?
I think the media is so widespread now. Ads तो उन तक भी पहुँच जाते हैं जो जियो पे चल रहा है या जो social networking sites पे हो रहा है. They ask themselves अब इतना ज़्यादा हो गया कि क्या हो रहा है, किसका exhibition हो रहा है, and what's happening.
They're interested.
Yeah, they are.
So there is the first-hand experience is not involved. They just rely on the
What you see.
yeah.
Okay, now we would be playing a little game. इसमें I'll name certain designers, right? Or you have to tell that one word which comes into your mind. Obviously, none of the words will be demeaning or something. It can be their USP or something that you like about the designs, their clothes, and of that sort. Okay? And it's going to be a very quick round. Deepak Parwani.
Expensive, very expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah,
A waist.
Waist. Stylish.
Stylish.
Expensive.
Classy.
Amir Adnan.
It's also very vibrant.
Vibrant.
elegant.
Elegant.
No idea.
No idea. Funkish.
I also have no idea.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all there.
Sana Safina.
The pins are pretty good. Yeah, they're very practical. You can wear them and और वो वही चीज़ आप डिनर पे भी पहन सकते हो, आप कैजुअली भी पहन सकते हो. So
it's pretty useful.
Handled.
Yeah.
Good quality.
Okay.
Good quality.
No idea.
No idea. Haven't been in their outlet.
HSY.
HSY is like more of an artist than a designer. वो कुछ ऐसे कपड़े बनाते हैं you can't normally wear, सब पर आप नहीं लगा सकते. Like वो artist टाइप को वो सिर्फ रैंप पे अच्छा लग सकता है उसके कपड़े में normally आप नहीं कर सकते.
I think HSY is very fashionable and he has contributed a lot to the Pakistani fashion.
Internationally recognized.
Very well.
Well recognized.
Overrated.
Couture.
Lastly, I'm sure all of you must have heard of this name, Ego, a shop by Ego. Atish wouldn't be knowing about it, but I'm sure the girls would be knowing about it.
It was pretty good. Like आपको designing सब कुछ होके मिलता है तो it's pretty affordable too and you can just wear it off. just कमीज़ें होती हैं तो आप खुद ही अपना style select करके it's very practical.
Has a lot of variety.
Unique.
What?
Unique.
Unique.
Affordable.
No idea.
सबके लिए. हाँ? सबके लिए.
Okay, and what about Gul Ahmad? Atish would be knowing about it.
Gul Ahmad is too expensive now.
Too expensive.
What has gone too
I think
expensive?
Gul Ahmad is the #1 lawn for me.
Number 1 lawn.
It's the oldest brand I can think of.
I don't wear lawn.